Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it's nice to have you here. Today I will be showing you how I make a Jamaican bread pudding. You will need bread, 1 cup of raisin, half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of rose water, 2 cups of coconut milk, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of allspice, and 2 eggs. Just to let you know that I use soaked raisin that's been soaked in rum and wine. You can also use dry raisin, both are optional for you. All ingredients will be in description box below. Put it in preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you next time.